Alright, so we're here with the great Mr. Craig Butler from Phoenix Academy, the producer of both Whisper Richards and Leon Bailey. Firstly, what is your thoughts on the game for tonight?
It was a good game. I think they were very tentative at the beginning and played a lot of back passes. Yeah, but as the game progressed, they started to play to Jamaica's strengths, which is the speed, the tenacity, and playing the balls forward. And that's where you started to see, things happening like the post being hit, Leon being more explosive, the team playing well, and Demarai Gray, all of them. We have really talented players in the national team, and we have to play very attacking football.
All right. So, what was your focal points throughout this game for you?
I think the focal points are the changes were when they started to press more and to play the short passes and send the through passes. Latibodier is an important part of the team because if he doesn't play the balls forward as an attacking central midfielder, then we're going to have a problem because you invite risk when you keep playing it back. So I think that was the focal point. The changing of the game started when he realized and started playing. Actually shouted to him at halftime. And he went out there and started.
All right, I know for you, it must have been a personal achievement to see the upcoming great Lujan Whisper Richards in the starting lineup today. First national starting. What was your thoughts about that today?
Well, I'm very proud of him. But as I said, there's a whole lineup behind him. There's young Denzel McKenzie coming up. There's Robinho Gordon. Several really good players in the Phoenix camp. The important thing is to develop them technically so that they can be competent, tactically. And I think it's a very proud moment for me with Whisper. But even more proud for me today was the fact that Leon really showed a lot of leadership and maturity in the team. He was literally running the team, talking to the players off the ball, letting them know what to do and getting the teamwork going. And I really love that, and I love, Whisper hit the post today. I mean, it shows his quality. It shows Leon's quality as a player. The passes that are being made. Really exciting times for Jamaica. We just need the JFF to stop behaving like they don't want the best thing for the country.
Understood. All right, Mr. Butler, we do appreciate you taking the time to speak with us today. We know that you will still be here on Tuesday to support Whisper and Leon and the rest of the team.
Absolutely, always.
So we look forward to seeing you Tuesday as well. All right, thanks, man.